And it's your boy back, Jordan Cartwright. He got the new pack break opening right here, people, ladies and gentlemen. Just gonna make this a little bit bigger so I can see my face. Okay, so we have the Topps Baseball 2013 Update Series. I think this is Series 2, I believe. Yeah. So look for it. And I also bought an extra pack with it. And then I opened up in the car, and I opened up that, but I didn't open up the plastic, so that's all good. But I opened up this one, and I found out we got our gold. Oh, so we have Bruce Rodden, he's a rookie. Nick Puto, he is a regular player. Francisco Liriano on the Pittsburgh. Miguel Cabrera All-Star game, which I was pretty... It was pretty good when I saw that one. Glenn Perkins from the All-Star game. Showing you the base right now. Jonah Villar, rookie card. It may not be that good because I'm... Salvador Perez All-Star game. Yeah, I'm not... I just started out doing all the box breaks, so just... And then I also got 3 other base cards, which was Craig Kimbrell, Carlos Beltran, and Alberto Caldios. And 2 of them are All-Star games, so 1 All-Star game, another All-Star game, and then the regular. And then my 2 hits were a Chasing the History Topps Matt Harvey on the Met. And then I got a gold Chris Delaunay San Diego Padres.
When are you going to take a shot? I will. When?
Excuse me, I'm making a video out here. Some good cards. So this one, with the series update, it's just a big fat thing. See, nothing else in there. I had to rip it open like crazy. But the other one, the Series 1. Oh, this is the updated series. There's Series 1, Series 2, and I guess now updated series. But for the updated series, yeah. Let me see how they number them. Oh, they're all U. So that means updated. Okay. Patch it there, and here we go. Are you 2 minutes running?
Stop it! You're cheating, and it's wrong.
So David Phelps, New York Yankees. Daddy, are they cooking?
Yes.
Russell Martin, Pirates. Just gonna go to these. Eric Bernard, Jason Gamby, Ryan Clash, Diddy Gregorius, Matt Adams, Oliver Perez, there's Jason Povar, Kyle McClennan, Zach Wheely, Mike Zuno, Troy Trozowski, Clay Bolsky, Pedro Alvarez, Edwin Narcio. I'm not good with this. Just talking like all the Junior Lake and Sean Kelly. So that's about like 2015, I don't know, cards. And then okay, and then blah, blah. Some more base cards. I would like the names like you know and all that. Oh, okay, that guy. Are they all done?
Bella! Bella!
Sorry about screaming in the background. Well, I just got Pug. Just like a base card for Pug, though. Like, nothing else. But I got Carlos Gonzalez there, All-Star game. Patrick Corbin, All-Star game. Zip. So Pug, rookie card right there. That's a good base card. Alex Gordon. That's the All-Star. Robinson Cano, All-Star. And Yu Darvish. Plays for the... Oh, I thought he played for... And the hits... Ooh! For I got Ryan Clark, the gold. That one's numbered 1063 out of 2013. Rafael Soriano. Oh, look at that emerald, though. That's great. Just look at that. But guess what day it is? It's almost Christmas. It's like the 17th or something like that. And I'm actually going to do like big boxing. Not like these little ones. I'm going to get like little ones of these. But I'm going to get like the box, like the set, like the Topps baseball. Like this is kind of like a...
Hey!
I'll say like, so these are like the packs. This is like a box technically, or blaster box. And then like the real like sets, like the ones like the hobby boxes, like the box, like the actual box breaks. For this, I got Joe Moore Twins. Okay, and for chasing history, I got Anthony Redden. I actually like just like getting the $20. This was $11. For making their mark, I got Kyle Gibson. Remember anything? And then for the franchise forerunners, LA Hyjin Ryu and Sandy Koufax. And that is it. So it was a good, decent, like, yeah, I'll like do that like a 7 out of 10. It wasn't like for the blaster set or whatever, I'll give it like a 6 out of 10. Wasn't that good, okay? So so for the reviews,
You smell like...
so the reviews, 2 golds. Oh wait, no. 2 golds,
Would you stop?
2 chasing history, making mark, franchise forerunners, low card, and an emerald. So for the updated series, they're right, but I like the 2013 baseball series 1 or series 2 because the updated series are alright. They're not good. Because I like doing box breaks and all that. So